Now let's access value from the properties file. For that purpose, I am creating one utility for it. The package name is utility, and the name of class is environment or is properties utility. Okay, so this is simple class. What I do, yeah, I created it as a REST controller again for checking purpose. REST controller, and I'm using request mapping, or I just use get mapping and all. Okay. Okay. So for that purpose, what I do, I just use environmental interface for this purpose. For that purpose, I'm using AutoWired private. I'm creating the instance of environment. Yeah, this one org.springframework.core.env environment. Okay, so after that, what I do, I want to access these properties, that is server.port is equal to 9000. Okay, so I'm creating one controller for it, get system get mapping, and what is the endpoint, get port details. Okay, so after that I'm writing one method which return the string. Okay, so public string port details. So what that method do, it whenever we hit this get port details endpoint, at that time it just going to return the port of this application. So basically we have property called server.port here. With the help of that property, we get the value of that specific property. So it is the key, server.port is the key, and 9000 is the value for that specific key. So I am just using that environment, use the environment reference. Okay, so what I do, environment dot get property. Okay, and I am passing the same key, that is server dot port. Okay, server dot port here, and with the help of that we get the value of that specific key inside that property. Okay, after that I am going to return that property, return property. Okay, so I'm just going to save, and it again going to restart. Yeah, it started. What I do, I started the postman for now. So application running in now on 9000 port. So this is our URL where when we are hitting it. So this is http localhost 9000 get port details. Okay, so what I do, I open the tab and paste the details and hit, and I get the value of that specific property, uh, Okay, that's it. That's how we can access the properties with the help of environment reference. Thanks a lot.